Back to my channel. Today we're going to figure out why this grass here is dry in different spots, and so we'll turn on the system right now and see what's going on. All right, folks, so we got this on now. Okay, well, right off the bat, the sprinkler here that's not able to nope. It's not able to go all the way up. It is, actually, it is all the way up, but it's just that it's a little low, and then we got this grass here that's restricting the spray. So we'll address that. This one ain't bad. Pretty good. The problem is that the grass here is too high. So what needs to be done on this one here is you need to weed whack this lower when they're doing the lawn service. And that's the same thing here. Is the weed whack. A little lower. So, see this right here? Okay, so right off the bat, yeah, when they're doing the service, they got to weed whack around the sprinklers lower. All right, folks, so as you can see again, sprinklers are not able to spray because of the, well, actually this sprinkler's way low. I feel the pop up here. It's all the way extended, and it's still not even coming close to being above the grass. And the same thing here. Okay, so those need to come up. And that's why this center part is not getting watered well. Got enough sprinklers, but it's not able to spray right, so that's what's going on. Folks, so we dug it up here a little bit, and it's just way below grade. That's why it's not watering properly. And see all this, how much I got just up so far. So we're gonna dig that out and see what's the best way to go to bring that up. Okay, folks, so I got here down to the bottom, and fortunately they have a swivel joint assembly, and with that you can go up, pull it up, and you see how it's flexible, it moves. Well, and that's what they're doing now in the industry. It makes things a lot easier. The only thing I think is that when they installed it, they didn't pack it down, and it just eventually went down by itself. But when you're putting these in, you need to pack it down so it doesn't collapse. And see how it's now it's going to be perfect now. See right there. All right, folks, so I'm really packing it down here so it doesn't collapse. Got that dirt in here. And put that back in there like that. For that top. See how it's right here. Pretty level. Just slightly below the grade, so, but very slightly. Maybe a quarter of an inch the most. Quarter of an inch. So when you'll pass it through the lawnmower, with the lawnmower, you're not going to hit that pop-up. But just enough so that way it has its full extension to be able to spray. All right, folks, so we're going to test it out right now and see how it goes. Oh wow, looks nice. Oh yeah, that's it right there. See that spraying now? All right. So we'll go through all the zones, have a look. And watering perfectly. Got that spray out there going, overlapping, spraying in the middle. Well, there's 3 zones on the grass, so I'm gonna hit them off. Yeah, way big difference there. That's how it's supposed to be. Just like that. That's got to get the center real good, as well as the perimeter. It's coming out this way too. And you can see how we did with the weed whacker. Now you can do this by hand too with a shovel, but you do it this way, it's faster. And then you can let it grow a little bit around. It's going to grow a little bit of green there, so a little bit more even. But either way, depends on what you like. But it's important to get that sprinkler exposed. You got it all going there good. Okay folks, well that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments or questions, just put it on the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.